All right, Keith, I'm curious about what the high temperatures were in the state today because I was driving back from Bath, had the windows down.
Yep.
Car thermometer says 93.
Right, it does that.
But I have my arm out the window, the breeze is coming through, and I'm like, no way.
So we may have done like brief segments on this before, but the general rule is in the summer they don't do well because they're in there, the pavement and the engine and everything.
Right.
In the winter, car thermometers are pretty close typically. But to answer your question, from Bath, it was probably like in the mid 80s.
I was just saying it was a gorgeous day.
Yeah. No, I get it. But
look,
it's like almost like I knew this was coming. High temperatures
what?
for today.
No way.
Look at that. I know. I'm always prepared. That's what people say. 87 in Wisconsin, 86 in Portland for a high, 80 in Rockland with a little bit of an ocean influence. But one thing about today and again tomorrow is there won't be much of a difference between the coastline temperatures and inland. If anything, the coast's dew points are a little bit higher in the low 60s there as opposed to mid 50s inland, so it's a little bit stickier along the immediate coastline. We had a hard time really developing any cloud cover today, no complaints, but you can see those cumulus clouds dying out as the mid-levels just too dry to support them. Clouds will come in though from the west later this evening, and some showers start popping up. Just scattered stuff, better chance in the mountains and foothills, and then into down east Maine by tomorrow morning. Those showers move out very quickly though, and we kind of end up with the same type of day tomorrow where there's a lot of sunshine. It's pretty warm in the mid and upper 80s in a lot of spots. And again, not a huge difference between the coast and inland. In fact, a place like Portland could be in the upper 80s by tomorrow afternoon. Our best chance of rain comes in on Wednesday night, Thursday. It's not really a chance, I guess. It's going to rain during that time period with some heavy downpours. But a lot of this looks to happen overnight Wednesday into very early Thursday. And so we wake up in the mid-coast and down east Maine potentially with some rain on Thursday morning, but a lot of us wake up dry, and then it just clears out more through the middle of the day on Thursday into Thursday afternoon, which I think is actually really nice in the upper 70s to around 80, and the dew points will start coming down on Thursday afternoon, so it'll be more comfortable. That air mass will stick with us for Friday. So that's a nice stretch. If you think like tomorrow is a little too hot for you, we take it down a notch Thursday into Friday. Saturday looks good too. We will see some showers just around sunset, I think, over western Maine on Saturday. Showers overnight Saturday, and then Sunday is a tough little egg to crack here. I think the way it plays out is that we see a shower in the morning. It gets sneaky hot during the middle of the day, potentially into the mid 80s, and that pops up some thunderstorms in the afternoon. So that's one of those days I think you'll look at an app and it will look like all rain. I don't think that's how it plays out on Sunday. That being said, if you want dry, if you have to have dry, the first half of Saturday is your best best lock for that. You see different professions attuned to weather intensely, and I'm recently having some work done on my house where they're doing it using cement, and those guys do not want it to rain at all, like have any chance of rain. It's really interesting watching everybody's tolerance for like chance of a shower. What are we talking about here? You know, and I think Sunday will be a tough day for that, but there will be some good parts in between there.
All right, thanks, Keith.